Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, Easy English. My name is Monica, and I am your teacher today. I am so happy you are here to learn English with us. Today, we have a special guest, Raj. Hello, Raj.
Hello, Monica. Hello, everyone. My name is Raj. I am happy to be here.
That's great, Raj. So Raj is learning English just like you. We will learn many new words and phrases today. Are you ready, Raj?
Yes, Monica, I am ready.
Excellent. Let's start with greetings. Greetings are the first words we say when we meet someone. The most common one is hello. Can you say hello, Raj?
Hello.
Perfect. Hello. You can also say hi. Hi is a little more informal, for friends. Can you say hi, Raj?
Hi.
Very good. So hello and hi. Now in the morning, we say good morning. Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, Monica.
Great. Good morning. In the afternoon, like now, we say good afternoon. Can you try that, Raj?
Good afternoon.
Excellent. And in the evening, when the sun goes down, we say good evening. Repeat after me. Good evening.
Good evening.
Wonderful. And when you go to bed, you say good night. Say good night, Raj.
Good night.
Fantastic. So we have hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Practice these at home, everyone. Say good morning to your family. After a greeting, we often ask how are you? Can you say how are you, Raj?
How are you?
Good. And a common answer is I'm fine, thank you. Or just I'm fine. Let's try I'm fine, thank you. Raj, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect. Remember, how are you and I'm fine, thank you. That's great for greetings. Now let's learn numbers. Numbers are very important. We will start with numbers from 1 to 10. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 1,
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. You can use these numbers for many things. For example, I have 1 book, or I have 2 pens. We will talk about objects next, but first, let's practice numbers. Everyone listening, try to count from 1 to 10 with Raj.
1, 2, 3.
Very good, Raj. Keep practicing. Next, let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's learn them one by one. First, Monday. Can you say Monday, Raj?
Monday.
Good. Next is Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Then Wednesday. This one is a bit tricky. The D is silent. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Fantastic. After Wednesday is Thursday. Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday.
Excellent. And then we have Friday. Friday. Friday.
Friday.
Almost there. Next is Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday.
And the last day is Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday.
Wonderful, Raj. Let's say all 7 days together. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Your turn, Raj.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Now a useful phrase is today is. What day is it today, Raj?
Today is Monday.
Yes, if it's Monday, you say today is Monday. If it's Tuesday, today is Tuesday. Everyone listening, say what day it is today for you. Today is. Great job with days of the week. Let's move to objects. Objects are things around us. For example, this. This is a microphone. I use it to speak. Microphone. Can you say microphone, Raj?
Microphone.
Good. Now look around you. What do you see? For example, this is a book. Can you say this is a book, Raj?
This is a book.
Perfect. Now how about a pen? Can you say this is a pen?
This is a pen.
Excellent. What about a table? This is a table. This is a table. Great. And a chair? This is a chair.
This is a chair.
Very good. Let's try one more common object. Phone. This is a phone. Your turn, Raj.
This is a phone.
Fantastic. So we have a book, a pen, a table, a chair, and a phone. Everyone listening, look around you. What do you see? Can you say this is a and name an object? Like this is a door, or this is a window. Practice.
You are doing wonderful, Raj. Now, let's talk about food and drinks. Everyone loves food. Let's learn some simple food words. First, apple. I like to eat an apple. Can you say apple, Raj? Apple.
Good. How about banana? I like bananas. Say banana.
Banana.
Excellent. Many people eat bread for breakfast. Bread. Your turn.
Bread.
Very good. Now for drinks. The most important drink is water. Drink water every day. Can you say water, Raj?
Water.
Perfect. Another common drink is milk. Kids drink a lot of milk. Milk. Raj?
Milk.
Great. And many adults like coffee in the morning. Coffee. Can you say it?
Coffee.
And some people prefer tea. Tea. Your turn, Raj.
Tea.
Wonderful. So we have apple, banana, bread, water, milk, coffee, tea. Now a useful phrase is I like
Monday. Do you like, Raj?
Do you like apples?
Yes, Monica, I like apples, and I like coffee.
Excellent. You can say I like apples, and I like coffee. Everyone listening, what food or drink do you like? Say I like and then your favorite. I like bananas. I like water. Now our last topic for today, daily activities. These are things we do every day. Let's start with wake up. In the morning, you wake up. Can you say wake up, Raj?
Wake up.
Good. After you wake up, you might eat breakfast. Say eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Perfect. Then many people go to work or go to school. Let's try go to work. Raj?
Go to work.
And in the middle of the day, you eat lunch. Can you say eat lunch?
Eat lunch.
Very good. In the evening, you eat dinner. Eat dinner. Raj?
Eat dinner.
And at night, you sleep. Everyone needs to sleep. Sleep. Raj?
Sleep.
Excellent. So our daily activities are wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, eat dinner, sleep. Now we use I before the activity to talk about ourselves. So I wake up. Can you say that, Raj?
I wake up.
Good. I eat breakfast. Your turn.
I eat breakfast.
Fantastic. I go to work.
I go to work.
Very good. I eat lunch. Raj?
I eat lunch.
Excellent. I eat dinner. Your turn.
I eat dinner.
And finally, I sleep. Raj?
I sleep.
Wonderful, Raj. You did great. Everyone listening, think about your day. What do you do? I wake up. I eat breakfast. Practice saying these sentences. Now let's quickly review everything we learned today. We learned greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. And how are you? I'm fine, thank you. We learned numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We learned the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today is?
We learned some objects: book, pen, table, chair, phone, and the phrase, this is a.
We learned food and drinks: apple, banana, bread, water, milk, coffee, tea, and I like.
And finally, we learned daily activities: wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, eat dinner, sleep, and I plus the activity.
Wow, Raj, that's a lot of new English today. How do you feel?
I feel good, Monica. It's many new words, but I understand. Thank you.
That's fantastic to hear, Raj, and thank you for being such a great learner. To all our listeners, remember to practice these words every day. Speak them out loud. Listen to this episode again if you like.
Practice makes perfect. You are doing great. Keep learning English with us on Easy English. We'll be back next time with more simple English lessons.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye, Raj.
Goodbye, Monica. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.